Hello, this is a guide for ANSYS ARC Job Scheduler. So this is the last step for finishing off your RSM installation. This is only if you want to set up specific types of job queues that manage your jobs that you submit to your remote solver. So I'm going to go over how to create a queue and what are the options to making a queue. So I'm going to walk through how to do an overnight queue. This is so that you can submit jobs to queue up at the end of the day, and then they would solve overnight for the user to come back in the morning and retrieve results. So you want to right click on queues, add a queue. I'm going to name this overnight. Okay, so this is where you set the state. There are 3 different options. You can click the question marks as you go, just for an explanation on what the options are in each of these settings. So as you can see, enabled means that it can accept jobs. Suspended means that it can still accept jobs, but the jobs will just remain queued, so they won't ever run for simulation. And disabled means that it will reject jobs, so no jobs can be queued. I'm going to set this to enabled. Priority, this is where you'd be able to set the priority of the queue. So another option for some job queues is you could have a high priority queue. I'm going to keep this as normal since this queue will only ever run at night. So I do want to set an active time range. You can turn this off if you want the queue to be active all the time, or if you want to manage the queue here yourself manually. For an overnight queue, though, we do want to set a time range. I'm going to set it to be 6 p.m. at night, which is 1800 hours, and the end time will be at 6 a.m. in the morning. And I do want to limit concurrent jobs to 1 job at a time. You can set this to more if you have the hardware resources available to solve more than 1 job at a time. This is also another way to limit your license usage. So every solve will require a license. So depending on how many licenses you have, you will be limited to the number of concurrent jobs you can run. Like I said, I'm going to set this to 1 job at a time since it is running overnight. And then I'm going to apply these settings just to save them. And then access control is how you allocate nodes to this specific queue. I'm going to allocate all the nodes to this queue. You can only select 1 node if you wish to only solve on that node specifically. So you can create multiple different queues if you want your users to solve to specific nodes individually. Okay, and the last setting here is if I want to restrict usage to specific users. So you can also create queues here that are for specific people, or you only want to allow specific people to submit to this queue, in which case you could enter their user credentials here. I'm going to leave this open to all, so I'm not going to restrict any usage. And then apply, and then that has been saved. So that's how you set up job queues using ANSYS ARC. Thank you.